The best affordable vintage car, Ford two-door sedan, 1939. Creation history. The Ford two-door sedan 1939 was introduced by the Ford Motor Company between 1937 and 1940. This model was part of the Ford Deluxe series, offering a stylish and innovative car for its time. During this period, Ford aimed to refresh its models and provide consumers with more modern and comfortable options. This car had three main advantages. The first, design. The Ford two-door sedan 1939 featured a refined and elegant design. It had characteristic styling elements of that era, including rounded shapes, chrome details, and sophisticated lines. The second, advanced technologies. For its time, the car was equipped with advanced technologies that improved handling and driving comfort. The third, durability and reliability. Ford was always known for producing reliable cars, and the two-door sedan model was no exception. High build quality and durable materials ensured a long service life. Interesting facts about the automobile. In 1939, the Ford two-door sedan was introduced to the market as part of the 1940 model year, despite its actual production year. This model was available with various body style options, allowing buyers to choose according to their needs. During that time, Ford actively utilized innovative manufacturing methods, making their cars more accessible to a broader range of consumers. Currently, the Ford two-door sedan 1939 has an estimated value of $3,500. The price may vary depending on the car's condition, history, and any restoration work performed by owners. Many vintage car enthusiasts seek to preserve and restore cars from this era. Numerous Ford two-door sedans can be found in car collections, at vintage car shows, and in working condition, thanks to the efforts of dedicated owners. This car represents not only a piece of automotive history, but also an opportunity to enjoy the unique style and character of the golden age of automobiles. Friends, if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new releases. If you want more affordable vintage cars, subscribe.